Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Ram Reddy M. Today's subject is Introduction to C Programming. Today we will discuss about arrays. What is array? An array is a fixed size sequential collection of elements of same data types that share a common name. It is simply a group of data types. An array is derived data type used to represent a list of numbers or list of names. Example for arrays, that is list of employees in an organization, test scores of a class of students, list of customers and their telephone numbers, list of students in the college. For example, to represent 100 students in college can be written as student 100. Here student is an array name and 100 is called index or subscript. Types of an array: one-dimensional arrays, two-dimensional arrays and multi-dimensional arrays. One-dimensional arrays: a variable which represents the list of items using only one index or one subscript is called one-dimensional array. For example, if we want to represent a set of few numbers by an array variable number, then number is declared as int number 5. Declaration of one-dimensional arrays. The general form of array declaration is type array, name, size. Here the type specifies the data type of an element contained in the array, such as integer data type or floating data type or character data type, and the size indicates the maximum number of elements that can be stored inside the array. The size should be either a numeric constant or a symbolic constant. For example, int group 10. Here int is type, group is a variable name, 10 is the size of an array, and the subscript is start from 0 to 9. Initialization of one-dimensional arrays. An array can be stored in following stages: at compile time and at runtime. Compile time initialization. In compile time initialization, the array is initialized when they are declared. The general form of initialization of array is type array, name, size, that is equals to list of values. The list of values are separated by commas. Example for compile time initialization: int number 3 equals 4, 5, 9. Here array number of size 3 and will be assigned 4 to first. Element number 0, 5 is assigned with second. Element number 1 and 9 is assigned with third. Element number 2. If the number of values in the list is less than the number of elements, then only that elements will be initialized. The remaining elements will be set to 0 automatically. Runtime initialization. In runtime initialization, the array is explicitly initialized at runtime. This concept generally used for initializing large arrays. Example for I equals to 0, I less than or less than 100, I plus plus equals to, if I is less than 50, sum of I equals to 0, else sum of I equals to 1. Here first 50 elements of the array, some are initialized to 0 and the remaining 50 elements are initialized to 1 at runtime. Two-dimensional arrays. A variable which represents the list of items using two index or two subscript is called two-dimensional array. In two-dimensional arrays, the data is stored in rows and columns format. For example, integer table 2 and 3. The declaration of two-dimensional arrays. The general form of two-dimensional array declaration is type array, name, rows and columns. Here type specifies the data types of elements containing in the array, such as integer, float or character. The size should be either a numerical constant or a symbolic constant. The general form of initializing two-dimensional array is type array name, rows, columns equals to list of values. In example, integer table 2, 3 equals to 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Here the elements of the first row initializes to 0 and the elements of the second row initialize to 1. In two-dimensional array, the row size can be omitted. Example, in table 3 equals to 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. If the values are missing in an initialization, they are automatically set to 0. Example, integer table 2, 3 equals to 1, 1, 2. Here first row initializes to 1, 1 and 2 and second row initializes to 0, 0. and 0 automatically. Multi-dimensional arrays, a variable which represents the list of items using more than 2 index or more than 2 subscript is called multi-dimensional arrays. The general form of multi-dimensional array is type array name S1, S2, S3 up to S1, where S is the size. Example int survey 356, float table 5453. Here survey is a 3-dimensional array and table is a 4-dimensional array. Application of arrays, using pointers for accessing arrays, passing arrays as functional parameters. Arrays are members of structures, using structure data type as array elements, array as dynamic data structures, manipulating character arrays and strings. Thank you.